Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is fall or autumn, however you want to call it, and it's time to update my wardrobe. A couple months ago, I did a huge closet purge. I donated a bunch of it, I put a bunch of it aside to repurpose into something else. And so my closet ended up being very bare. It ended up just looking like summer clothes and like basics, which is not really a problem considering I'll be stuck at home probably for the rest of my life. But if there is a chance that we can go back into the outside world and touch people again, I want to look cute. So today I am going to be attempting, hopefully, to make an entire outfit for myself. I'm going to head over to the thrift store. You never know what you're going to find, and I might find nothing. I'm going to take you there. We're going to see what we can get, and then we're going to come back here and make something. Hopefully we get something that looks decent. And if we don't, then that's fine. Alright, so let's get ready to... I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. It's so busy in here. Just opened like 5 minutes ago. Do I want this? Alright, I found this curtain. It's 100% cotton. 13 bucks though, but it's huge. And it's this nice like army green color. I think I can make some like pants with it maybe. Oh, it's got a straps there that I can use. Okay, I'm back. It's like I never even left. Just very quickly before I toss this all in the laundry machine, I just want to show you what I got. First, I showed you this big gigantic curtain. I'm pretty sure it's from IKEA, according to the tag. It cost $12.99. It's a lot. It's a huge curtain. So my goal is to make some kind of pants with these. Maybe like a jogger style elastic waistband type of pant. Just casual, you know, comfy cotton pants. And there's so much of it, so I'll probably have tons left over, but it's cotton, so I can make like masks with it, because that's the thing that we need these days. Alright, next. So for a top, I was hoping to find some fabric, but I could not, so you saw me pick this thing out. It's like this really weird white ribbed fake turtleneck, long sleeve, bodycon tight dress. Honestly, I have no idea if it's gonna even fit me, because it looks like it's pretty small, but if it doesn't fit, I can easily just return it. So my plan for this is to just like pretty much just cut it in half and make a long sleeve top with it. So this one's not really a make, it's a thrift flip if you want to call it that. And yeah, so that's what my top will be. So I'm gonna toss those all in the washing machine now because you need clean stuff to work with. So I'm gonna do that, and then once it's all ready to go, we'll get started with sewing. Okay. All right. Almost forgot the most important part of any pair of pants. Pockets! I need 4 pockets, but also I'm doing a slant pocket. You ever heard of one of those? I'm gonna just do it. Okay, I drew out like a basic pocket shape. I just don't know if it's too big. My whole hand could fit in there. This is the slant, so one piece will have cut out on this side and then one piece will cut out that side. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. I don't know. Ah. This is the stitch that I got. Then my bobbin ran out. Fun! Alright, let's try that again. Alright, just want to update you on what I did. Essentially, I just ironed the seams that I sewed and then cut out two pieces for the waistband. One in the size of the front piece and then the one in the back. I'm going to put some interfacing, I think, on the front one. And essentially what I was going to do is sew these two together, but only put interfacing on the front because the front is going to be flat, and then sew it. Oh, I guess I gotta sew the pants together first. But for the waistband, the back is going to have elastic in it, so yeah, you'll see. Okay, so I just tried on the one leg that I just sewed up, and it's looking pretty good. I was a little bit worried that it would be way too big, but somehow it fits really nicely. And the only thing is that the ankle part is pretty wide, so I'm just gonna finish sewing it up, and then I'll like taper in the bottom. I think I want to put elastic at the ankles to give it that like jogger type style, so I don't want to take it in too much because I still want to like have that sort of scrunchy effect, and then I think it'll be all done. I mean, yeah, so let's keep on going. I left the front open so that I can now feed the elastic through here. And so I'm going to sew or feed the elastic through the back half and then sew it down on the side seams and then do the same thing, fold the front and then sew it up, and then it'll be done. But not really, because I still have to do the hem on the bottom and like taper it in a little bit more, but yeah. Wow. It's a little hold with the elastics. I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so I got one leg hole done, and now I just have to do the other one, and then these will be done, and then we'll move on to the shirt. So I'm gonna do that now, but for you it's gonna be like 1 second. Okay, time for the shirt. Now this one's gonna be pretty easy, so all I'm really gonna do is just cut it where I want it to end. I think I want to have a slight cropped look, so yeah, I'm just gonna cut it and then hem the bottom, and then we're gonna see how this outfit turned out, aren't we? Okay, it's done! Woo! Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, congratulations. This is it. This is the end. I'm really sad to see you go. Anyways, if you've ever had to film yourself in public by yourself, all alone in a park, I think you probably know how awkward that is. So just do me a favor and like make this worth my while, because I had to just stand there while people were working out and chatting in the park. So, you know, just like give me a little thumbs up, a little comment, a little subscribe, you know, just something a little sweet to make me feel like I didn't just waste my life on you. Okay, bye.